Namaste everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. So stock number one for today's session was ICICI Bank. It was a sell call at 779. Let me see on daily chart what really happened. 774 is the low for the day. Where is it? 779. This particular candle, yes. No. Then here 781.90, 81, 779 till 777 is my first target. Yes, only one target is hit. After that, buyers came in at lower levels. Talking about the second stock, and that stock is Dabur at 614 rupees. This is Dabur. Let me go to daily chart once again. No, it gapped up, hence we could not take entry. Third stock was Ramco Systems and the entry level is at 407 rupees. It's a buy call, Ramco. Nothing happened here as well. So I'm going to copy the second result as it is. Capped up. Talking about our last stock, it was Raymond at 510. So let me go and see. Yes, 510. There was a breakout. Now I have to spot the breakout level somewhere here. No. This candle, yes. After this, yes. 520.25. Our SL was never in danger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 targets. Talking about stock number 1 for tomorrow's session, I have Zensar Technologies and we are going to trade a bearish breakout at 452. Looking at hourly chart, this was a high around the round number of 500 rupees. Then this particular high was lowered to 576 and it kept on getting lower, which means that sellers are more in stock compared to buyers. Hence, price is going lower and lower. So this was an attempt to break below 452. There was bit of attempt by buyers to take the price higher. Once again, sellers are coming through. So systematically, sellers have started from almost 500 and they are at 456 rupees. If the breakout happens, we can see a decent reduction in stock price up to 435 rupees. Stock number 2 is Apollo Tyres and the breakout level is above 230 rupees. This is a breakout line. So as you can see, there is fair bit of consolidation going on near the breakout level since last 4 to 5 hours, which means buyers are more active, but there are bit of sellers who are trying their best to push the price lower. If we begin from here at 209, see higher highs, higher lows pattern. Once again, this was a low here. The low is elevated to 213. Once again, it is double bottom pattern. So there are many patterns within higher highs and higher lows pattern. All are shouting aloud for a breakout above 230 rupees. Look at the volume activity. It is in sync with the rising candles or the higher highs, higher lows pattern. If the breakout happens, we should surely see a decent momentum up to 240 rupees. One more stock with bullish breakout at 184 rupees. We can make the same conclusion about Exide just like we analyze Apollo Tyres. So here there is a cutthroat battle going on between buyers and sellers because candles are not moving below 182 and not going above 185. So let's begin from here around 170. Once again a higher highs, higher lows pattern. So this was a kind of aberration as the low was taken down, but once again buyers came into the picture and they bought it at a decent quantity. This is a higher high, higher lows pattern for 3 consecutive bullish candles, and also the volume activity is pretty standard as well. So all these things should encourage more and more buyers to buy above 184 or 185, and it should take the stock price somewhere in the vicinity of 190 rupees. Last but certainly not least, stock for tomorrow's session is Torrent Power. Looking at daily chart, this is a pattern called higher lows. The low is getting higher almost every single trading session. Also, there is strong demand at higher level as well, as despite a bearish candle, buyers are buying, which means there is a sense of bullishness, and that bullishness is also growing as price is going higher. So in today's session, we saw a decent range bullish candle. Hence, we are going to enter above 531 rupees. And if this trend of higher lows continues, we can surely see a decent growth in stock price up to 550 rupees. These are the levels. I will share a screenshot of it in my Telegram channel. As I always say, we have to put only 1 or 2% of our total trading capital as a stop loss to continue trading for longer periods of time. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching.